Hello guys, welcome to CyberCrash YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we will solve the day 1 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's video. So guys, here we have the complete playlist of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, you can save this playlist, you can share with your friends. In this playlist, I will cover all the videos, all the challenges of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, please save this playlist and subscribe to CyberCrust YouTube channel. So guys, now I'm on my computer screen. So let's move to the browser and here I can type try hack me and here you can see this is the advent of cyber. You can click. So let's scroll down. So scroll it and yes, uh, so here you can see we have the Linux CLI cell well and this room is unlocked now. So let's tap to. So guys, now we are on the Linux CLI cell bell. So let's scroll down. So here you can see the tutorial video also by the industrial expert. So we have also the video too for this. So let's scroll down. Here is the introduction, the story and learning objectives and all. Let's start this challenge. So guys, now let's start Linux CLI cell bell challenge. Guys, let's scroll down and here we have the introduction or task 1, the story. So guys, you can read this story of your own. I'm not reading this. So this is the learning objectives. Learn the basic Linux command line CLI, explore its use of personal objectives and IT administration, apply your knowledge. So guys, here we have the virtual machine. So let's start the machine. Guys, yes, it's loading. So let's wait for it and we can adjust the two panels. So here we have the credential. If you want, you can use the VPN connection also. Try Hack Me VPN using these credentials. And let's move to Linux CLI. Guys, let's start working with the Linux CLI. So we can use the echo and hello world. So this command will print the word that is inside the quotation. So we will give a enter and here you can see we have the hello world. So let's type with ls and give a enter. So here you can see the directories and readme.txt. So we can use the cat command and we can type this readme.txt. So yes, here you can see we have some informations. The guide by tomorrow as a precaution. I will also hide the guide from plain view maxkd. So I think we have something inside this guides. So let's cd and we can simply write guides and so let's enter and we are inside the guides. Do ls and I think some are hidden. So looking for hidden guide, so we can do one thing. We can use the mine sorry, we can do ls and minus la and give enter. So guys, you can see here we have the dot guide.txt. So let's use the cat command and dot guide.txt. So we'll give enter and yes, here we got our first flag. Let's select this and we can do simply copy and we can scroll down and move to the question part and yes, here we can simply paste that and give a check. So yes, this is correct and here we can write ls and give a check. So for filter log, so let's move towards up and complete the full process. So here we can see like something is there inside this var log. Guys, we can do cd and we can move to var and then log and give a enter. So we are inside the var and log directory, so we can type ls and give a enter. We have so many logs, log files you can see inside the log directory, but we need to find this authentication auth.log, so we can use the grep command. So we can do one thing, we can simply select this and copy, and here we can do paste and we can give enter. So yes guys, here you can see we have so many data with the failed password. So we can do one thing, we can copy this, we have to find, and we will do paste here, enter. So guys, here we have done, we have here we got the extract.sh, like we have used the find command to extract this. So guys, here we can use the cd and we can copy this and we can paste here and give a enter. So guys, now we are inside the home softmask and 2025. Guys, now do ls. So scroll down. So guys, we can do one thing, we can do cat and extract.sh and give enter. So guys, here we got the flag, we got our second flag. So let's select this and simply we can do copy, and yes, here we can simply paste that and give a check. So guys, yes, this is correct. Here for filter logs, let's scroll to up, and so here you can see we have used the grep command. So here grep, and we can give a check. So guys, this is correct. So now which command we want to switch? So okay, let's scroll up. So root user. So root user, this is the most valuable user in the Linux. So we have to move to the root user or the highest priority user. So we can do sudo su, and yes, we are inside the root user guys. So we can check who am I, and yes, we are root. So yes, let's scroll down, and here sudo su, and we can give a check. Yes, this is correct. So one more flag guys, so let's find that. So I think something is hidden inside the history, root history. So we can simply use the command history and we can give enter. So yes guys, here we got the final flag. Here we got the final flag. Let's copy it and scroll down, and yes, here we can give a paste and check. So guys, this is correct. So guys, this is a hint for the side quest 1. Here we can simply do exit, and now we are as a maxkd user. So we move to cd/home/maxkd and slash documents, and yes, we can give enter. So yes, we are inside the documents, So let's check what is there inside the document. So we can do ls. So here we got one file, readme please.txt. So let's copy this and we can use the cat command and paste that, and we can give enter. So yes guys, here you got the clue for the side quest one. You can check the Linux log on your system also. So yes, we can give a check here. You did it, Linux CLI cell well complete. So guys, we have completed this room, and here after completing the day one room, I got one advent of cyber ticket also. So let's continue and move to Wareville. And guys, here you can see we have completed Linux CLI cell well room. Guys, we have successfully completed the day one room of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, for more solutions, subscribe to CyberCrust YouTube channel. Thank you.